Hey guys, I'm here with another sit down and chat with me video. Today I have a really exciting and useful topic. I'm going to be talking about 25 free and low-cost Christmas gifts to give this year. I will be using this list as inspiration for my own gifts this year, and I will show you guys what I choose to give my family members when the time comes. But I just thought I'd do a little bit of research and share what I found with you guys on 25 things that are super special, meaningful, individualized gifts that will not break the bank for this holiday season. I'm going to be putting pictures of these ideas just to kind of give some more inspiration as I'm speaking and to make the video a little bit more entertaining. These videos will just be stock images, but I'll also throw in some of my own pictures as well. So the number one gift is your time. I wanted to talk about this concept a little bit because I do believe that spending time with someone is a gift itself. You are taking the time out of your busy schedule and prioritizing the person that you are spending time with. You are using gas to drive to their house or a location you are meeting at, and all of that takes time, energy, effort, and it shows that you really care about the person enough to work them into your life in some way. I feel like nowadays people are lonelier than ever despite having access to people 24/7 through social media. So sometimes just spending that in-person time with someone, chatting or doing an activity together is really meaningful and special and can really brighten someone's day and make them feel less alone in this world. Number two is a homemade card with a thoughtful message. So this is perfect for a family member or a close friend. You can write them something expressing your gratitude for them in your life. You can say how proud you are of the certain accomplishments they've made, just something specific to them that really shows that you know about them, you care about them, and you value them in your life. I would make the card look really beautiful. If you have a printer at home, you can print out something, or you can go to Dollar Tree and you can get a card for 50 cents. They have a 2-for-1 deal at Dollar Tree where you get 2 cards for $1. You can also make a beautiful card if you have at-home craft supplies. So I have a book that is filled with cardstock paper with cute Christmas designs. So I have used that before as cards just to write a beautiful message on. Number 3 is making a photo collage or a pretty frame with a photo of the two of you in it. You can just personalize this to the person you're giving it to. So if you guys love to take pictures together, maybe you can put one in a beautiful frame. They have frames for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, which is a very low cost item. You just put the picture in there and that is a gift that they can put on display. Or you can edit a collage and print that out and frame that. It is really up to you what you guys want to do depending on who you're giving it to, but pictures tell 1,000 words and will bring them back memories that you guys shared together. Going along the lines of photography and photos, if you own a professional camera and you are into photography yourself, you can give them the gift of a photo shoot. So you can do this Christmas themed with their family, or you can just do it of themselves, whatever the person feels like doing. If you are creative and you have a nice camera and skill for photography, you can give them a photo session that they will remember forever. You can use different props during this photo session, or you can go to a place like a Christmas tree farm or somewhere that has Christmas lights and decorations and just use that as your backdrop. Number 5 is create a beautiful Christmas bouquet. So you can use pine for this, berries. You can just go out in nature and find things that you think will go together and really fill up that bouquet. And it can be a free flower display that you give to your loved one that they can put on a vase or use as decor in some way. And it will definitely be unique and not something that you can just buy at the store, and they will be able to tell that you put a lot of time and thought into this gift for them. Number 6 is cooking and baking. You can either make a meal or bake something to give to someone, or you can do this together as an activity where you guys make memories together by cooking together. This can be something simple like a dish in a casserole form, or you guys can cook together and host a meal with a bunch of your friends. Number 7 is shopping your home so you can gift things that you already own that you think this person would love, such as clothing items, jewelry, accessories. You can give them new bath products like lotions, perfumes, makeup items that you don't want. Just shop your home for things that relate to them and their interests. You can also give books, candles, decor pieces. Just make sure that it's something that they don't necessarily know that you are re-gifting. Make it seem like it's something that relates to them and you thought that they would enjoy. Number 8 is gifting Christmas ornaments. So you can make these yourself at home with paper or other craft supplies, or you can just give them ornaments that you already own and just make it relate to them in some way. You can choose something that you think they would enjoy to put on display on their tree, or you can actually use markers to write a message on the ornament and make it specialized to them. Number 9 is make a recipe book. You can type up or write down your favorite recipes and possibly ones that they've had before and enjoyed, and you can put this in a notebook or a binder and gift them the gift of recipes that they can make all year round. Number 10 is a memory jar. So for this, you get strips of paper and write down memories that you have shared with the person, and you put it in a jar, and they can unravel the strips of paper with the memories written down on them to relive some of these beautiful and fun moments that they've shared with you. Number 11 is gifting private lessons. So this could be instrument lessons like guitar or piano. It could be singing lessons, modeling tips and tricks. You could also teach them how to paint or draw. Just any skill that you have that you would be able to share with the person could be considered a gift that they would enjoy. Number 12 is a nature walk or hike. So this is more along the lines of an idea of an activity you guys can do together. But going back to number 1, I do feel like your time with someone is a gift of itself. So going on a nature walk or hike can be a beautiful experience that the person will really cherish. Getting out in nature and sunshine really brightens someone's mood. It makes them focus on things that are not in their everyday life. They're able to see beautiful scenery and wildlife, and they also release endorphins by exercising and getting their heart rate up. Number 13 is walking around town and doing free Christmas activities. So this can include seeing lights, looking at pretty houses that are decorated. You can go into a town where they have a Christmas tree on display. And you can also go window shopping without buying anything, but just admiring some of the displays that are available to look at. Number 14 is a game or movie night. This is another experience that could be really fun with a group of people. So you guys can do a fun board game or a card game, or you can watch a movie and do a sleepover night where you bake and chat and just watch a cute Christmas themed movie while you are cozied up on the couch in pajamas. Number 15 is a DIY beauty product like a scrub or body butter. So I've actually done videos of this on my channel previously, so I'll insert some pictures. I made a DIY peppermint bark body scrub, which was super cheap to make, and I had most of the ingredients at home already. So you can make something like this, or a body butter, a skincare product, or just something that is easy to make that is Christmas themed that you can put in a nice little jar with a ribbon or something that just ties it all together. Number 16 is babysitting or pet sitting. I feel like this is much appreciated and is something that the gift receiver will be grateful for in a time of need, so that they can have some freedom to go out and do something with their partner or with their family, and they don't have to worry about paying for a babysitter or a pet sitter. Number 17 is gifting a makeup or hair session. So you can do your loved one's hair or makeup for a night out or for a photo shoot or just for fun, whatever occasion they prefer. And you can use their makeup, or maybe you have some hair tools that you could use to style their hair. Just make it creative and make it something that they will love to have. This would definitely be something that I could see a lot of women really appreciating. And sometimes someone else doing your makeup and hair just brings a whole nother level that they haven't seen before if they were to do it on their own. Number 18 18 is helping them decorate their home and set up lights. This is something that will definitely help them out because this is an exhausting task, especially if they have to get up on a ladder and maybe they don't have the best mobility. You can help them decorate so it won't be super tiring and difficult for them. Number 19 is cleaning and organizing their home space. So this is perfect for busy moms or people who don't have a lot of time to clean and organize, or maybe it's just too large of a task to do on their own. You can be someone that gives the gift of organizing and cleaning and make it so that they can come home to a nice, clean, refreshed space or house. Number 20 is yard work. So this is another really good practical idea. You can shovel snow, rake leaves, mow their lawn, or plant some plants that they've been wanting to put in. Whatever it is that they need, you can help them with. Number 21 is gifting them a spa day or massage. So you can give them a facial, you can do a massage, and just do relaxing pamper routine type activities where they can calm down and just enjoy the relaxing spa at home. Number 22 is a simmer pot scent gift. So this is where you gift a bunch of ingredients that they can throw in a pot to simmer, and it will give their home a nice scent for the holidays. Number 23 is calligraphy art or decor. So if you are artistic, you can do a painting, a drawing, a calligraphy, beautiful message. You can put this in a frame or just gift this to the person to have on display. You can individualize the artwork to pertain to them and their tastes. So make sure you use colors that go with their home and themes that you know they would appreciate. Number 24 is a coupon book of activities. So this can be a book with activities written down that you guys can do together throughout the year, and you can gift this to them so that when they want to spend time with you or do one of these things, they have the coupon book ready to use. Number 25 is a music playlist. I always love hearing music from other people because I tend to listen to the same things on my own. So sometimes it's nice to get music from other people that have different tastes, and you can discover new songs this way. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 25 free and low-cost gifts to give for Christmas this year. I will definitely be doing some of these ideas, so stay tuned for that. I hope you guys are doing well this holiday season. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comments. If you have any other ideas to share, or if you just want to say hello and be a part of the discussion in any way, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. For more money saving habits and discussion videos, check out my channel. I also do productive vlogs and beauty content, so there's just a lot going on my channel. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and subscribe. But I will see you guys soon in the next video. Thank you for watching.